What's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. All you social medias out there, how you guys doing today? Well, tonight. Well, as you could tell, we're working on some debt validations and removal of derogatory debt. Um, so, as you could tell, we're changing things around a little bit. So we should be able to remove about $26,000 in the next 30 days from this client. Um, So, like I said, we're going to be able to remove $30,000 almost out of one credit bureau. There's three credit bureaus, so we're going to have to remove that off three different credit bureaus. But like I said, we're doing it lawful, legal, and ethical. If you want to know more or want us to walk you through the steps of how to do it, give us a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. Like I said, we're helping people eliminate debt and be debt free for 2019 and beyond, because we are destroying family curses from this point on. If you want to know more, give me a call, 915-247-8784. Good credit and FICO scores are in your future.